Hi, I'm Danny Lipford. If you're looking for ways to make your home healthier, one of the easiest ways to get started is to limit the number of contaminants you introduce into your home through cleaning supplies. Cleaning products emit all sorts of VOCs, or volatile organic compounds. While VOCs may not be intensely toxic, they do have compounding negative long-term health effects. Commercially produced low VOC cleaners and homemade recipes are a good idea, but even vinegar, which is a very common component in many of these formulas, still emit some VOCs. So even if you're using some of these low impact options, it's still a good idea to remove all of the fumes from your home. Turn on your ventilation fans when you're cleaning the kitchen, bathroom, or any other room where you have a ventilation fan. If there's no fan and the weather cooperates, open the windows. For more ideas to improve your indoor air quality and have a healthier home, visit brownnewtone.com.